How to show or hide Samsung Secure Folder. This tutorial shows you how to quickly toggle visibility of your secure folder on your Samsung device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Next, swipe down again to expand the Quick Settings panel. Following that, look for the Secure Folder toggle among your Quick Settings tiles. Now, if you turn on the toggle, your secure folder will be visible on your home screen and app drawer. Moving forward, if you turn off the toggle, secure folder will be hidden from view. This is the quickest way to show or hide it. Alternatively, you can hide it from within the secure folder itself. Open your secure folder app. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. The menu options will appear. Then tap on Settings. Look for the option to hide secure folder and toggle it on. Your secure folder will now be hidden from your device. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you show or hide Samsung Secure Folder, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.